Hi, this is Wesley Dotson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we have a 1966 Ford Mustang we're going to take a look at. Really nice, clean car. It's burgundy with black interior, and it's super straight down both sides, and we're going to take a look at it. Just a real nice, clean car. It's got factory air conditioning, wood grain steering wheel. It's got an upgraded radio system in it. According to the previous owner, it was owned by the same person for 30 years, which is pretty neat. Just super clean. All the headliners in good shape. Shut the door here. And we'll take a look at the trunk. Got the original breather cover, just super duper clean. All right, we're gonna shut the trunk here and hear it start up. Good sound. Sit down here, show you the air working. Blows cold, it blows hard. Horn works. Cut it off here. Take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it's a 200 Inline 6 factory air. Just a really nice, clean car. Shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at it. 1966 Ford Mustang. All right, we're gonna take this 1966 Ford Mustang for a test drive and see how it does. All right, here we go. Drives nice, has good steering, good brakes, horn works, all the gauges work, blinkers work, air conditioning. All right, here we go back. to the dealership here. As soon as we get back here, I'm going to show you what it looks like underneath. If you could, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. If you have questions about this Mustang, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. That's 859-621-5572. We'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. All right, and we are back, and so we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. Blinker does work on the driver's side.